That didn't look like an efficient group meeting, but I can tell you that I am on my way to visit an HPE IT expert that can tell me all about how HPE SMB customers can improve business productivity. Let's go meet him. Speaking of SMBs, you know, they have a lot of limited budgeting, they want to do a lot more with a lot less. So how are we helping them with their productivity?
Well, small, medium businesses have a great need to store their data and deliver services to their customers. What we're trying to do is connect the storage, the server, the compute aspect, and the networking aspect in one. And by doing that, we're not allowing our customers to be more effective in how they serve their customers, whether they're providing a wireless network service or providing different types of technology services for their customers in their particular small business environment.
That kind of sounds like a complete infrastructure to me. Do we have anything like Office in a Box?
We do. We call it small office deployment, and that's a combination of servers, storage, and networking, wrapped along with services as well. And what we do is we take out the complexity of putting all those different components together.
That sounds pretty efficient. What are we doing to ensure businesses are not vulnerable to unwanted internet content and a loss in productivity?
Well, there's lots of different types of losses in productivity that you could have, and attacks are becoming more and more sophisticated as we go along the way here with small businesses. And they need to have a way of actually protecting and preventing themselves from being attacked. And so the solution that we provide is a firewall and a content filtration type solution. We call it a unified threat management solution, but effectively it provides a gateway, a content filtering device that allows our customers to be protected from all those types of malicious attacks that exist out there.
That's fascinating. So Mark, what can we do to boost operational efficiencies within our SMBs?
Well, these small, medium businesses need the ability to address multi-function environments, which can include collaboration or different types of applications such as databases. And what we find is that they need a very powerful platform. And Intel Xeon scalable processors, platforms that are built on those processors, provide the best performance for our customers. Now, if you include also the solid-state drives from Intel and NICs, you have a complete package that our customers can really go with.
Totally makes sense. Mark, thank you so much for sitting down with me and speaking about SMBs and how we can boost their productivity.
You're welcome.